Okay, nature vibes, nature connection can help boost your mood, restore your attention, calm a busy mind, etc. etc. So I think I'm going to roll with the YouTube Shorts videos. Doing this in the original form, like I just said. Nature vibes, nature connection can help boost your mood. And I'll do it with some of them YouTube short sounds in the background as well. I think it'd be cool. Nature vibes, nature connection can help. There you go. Loads of things to do. Have a great summer. It is the 1st of June. Nature vibes, nature connection can help. Loads of things to do with your health, well-being, wellness, performance, productivity, creativity. Have a great day. Great summer.